Today was the official launch of our network. I made a transaction on the Ethereum blockchain in exchange for a drone charging service, which was really exciting, and it's a huge milestone for us. Today also Noam and I had a discussion with a European company that manufactures electric shuttle buses to see how we can integrate them within the DAV network as well. So very exciting times, guys, and this is it for today. Thanks.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardi here. Yesterday the main focus was a lot of email segmenting, email campaigns. Probably sent out 10 or 12 different email campaigns to KYC folks, also blasting out some new announcements we have about new people utilizing the DAV protocol, so a lot of exciting things happening there. Today the main focus has been what a whirlwind of a day. Pretty much we had 27,000 people join our Telegram in the past 2 days, all people who came in referred from and added from different genuine community members, so a lot of great things happening there. It's been a total whirlwind, but that's it for today. Thanks everybody, have a good one.
Hey there, Davers. So I'm in Berlin and we just finished doing our first drone charging mission with our friends from SkySense. Everything went off really well. The drone and the charging pad negotiated for the charge. The mission was registered on the blockchain. DAV tokens were transferred to that contract. And then the mission happened, the drone landed, got charged, took off, and the tokens were released to the wallet of the charging pad. It went off really well, and we're going to be releasing the link to Etherscan where you can see the details of that transaction on the blockchain, so that's really cool. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey DailyDAVers, what's up? So today we started the day with a really exciting thing. The developers did a drone charging test and we filmed it. After that I reviewed the material, looks good, and then I edited DailyDAV. And for the rest of the day I'm gonna continue working on Joe's interview and release a rough cut towards the final version tomorrow. And that will be it. See you next time.
Hey Davers, Alec here. I'm back here at the office. I got really sick after Ecomotion and Jeffrey's event last week. It was really intense, but I'm back in action. What I'm doing now is actually putting around 100 names in our CRM of all these amazing contacts which we got from OEMs and different mobility companies, and it's really outstanding. I'm going to have a follow-up conversation with Noam and Tal throughout the week to see how we're going to progress. And that's about it. Hopefully I'll get better throughout the week and have a great day. Bye.
Hi guys. Today I'll fix a few movements in new design site for our partners. I'll make inner pages, edit the new screens, etc. After then I'll make several changes in our roadmap. Also I'll create graphic for our armor. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.